And it's like, it's so bad because it's like, where do the genuine people thrive at? Like, is there a space for that, or has that died out in modern society, or is it far in between?
But that's where I was getting to, like, you know, people being conditioned to think autonomy is the road to success. Meanwhile, everybody's regurgitating the same thing. And the analogy that I gave is like earlier is, you know, it's like 5 people all living in the same house, got 2 TVs, and everybody's paying for their own Netflix subscription.
You just foolish.
It's you know, we can see that echoed in melanated community with 3 barbershops being on the same block.
Yep.
So, you know, there's